In the ever-evolving landscape of automotive innovation, the concept of dual-engine vehicles is garnering increasing attention. While the idea of having two engines in a single car might sound like a dream come true for performance enthusiasts, it comes with its own set of complexities and trade-offs. As manufacturers experiment with this ambitious approach, it's important to weigh the benefits and challenges of these two-engine cars, which promise both thrilling performance and potential complications. Dual-engine vehicles are designed to offer enhanced performance and efficiency by incorporating two separate powertrains within a single chassis. This setup can potentially deliver substantial power gains and improved handling, offering a more exhilarating driving experience. In some cases, these cars feature a combination of internal combustion engines and electric motors, aiming to blend the best of both worlds, the raw power of traditional engines and the efficiency of electric propulsion. One of the primary advantages of two-engine cars is their remarkable performance capabilities. By harnessing the power of two engines, these vehicles can achieve impressive acceleration and speed. This setup allows for a significant boost in horsepower, enabling drivers to experience acceleration that rivals high-performance sports cars. Additionally, the use of an electric motor in conjunction with a traditional engine can enhance torque delivery and provide instant power, further elevating the driving experience. The dual-engine approach also offers the potential for improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. In hybrid models, the electric motor can take over during low-speed driving or when idling, reducing the reliance on the internal combustion engine and conserving fuel. This can result in better overall fuel economy compared to conventional vehicles, making two-engine cars an appealing option for those looking to reduce their environmental impact. However, the benefits of two-engine cars come with their own set of challenges. One of the most significant issues is the increased complexity of the vehicle's powertrain. Integrating two engines requires sophisticated engineering and advanced technology to ensure that both power sources work harmoniously together. This complexity can lead to higher maintenance and repair costs, as well as potential reliability concerns. Owners of two-engine vehicles may find themselves dealing with more frequent and costly service requirements compared to traditional single-engine cars. Another challenge associated with dual-engine vehicles is the added weight and size. The inclusion of two engines and their associated components can result in a heavier vehicle, which can impact handling and overall driving dynamics. Additionally, the added weight can place greater demands on the vehicle's suspension and braking systems, potentially affecting its performance and ride quality. Manufacturers must carefully balance these factors to ensure that the vehicle remains enjoyable and practical to drive. The cost of two-engine cars is also a notable consideration. The advanced technology and engineering required to build and integrate dual powertrains typically result in higher purchase prices. Buyers should be prepared for the possibility of a significant premium compared to single-engine counterparts. Additionally, the increased complexity of the vehicle's systems can contribute to higher long-term ownership costs, including maintenance and repair expenses. Despite these challenges, the allure of two-engine cars continues to attract attention from enthusiasts and manufacturers alike. The promise of enhanced performance, improved efficiency, and cutting-edge technology makes them an intriguing option for those seeking a unique driving experience. As automotive technology continues to advance, we can expect to see further developments and innovations in the dual-engine realm, potentially addressing some of the current limitations and offering even greater benefits. In conclusion, two-engine cars represent a bold and exciting step forward in automotive design, combining the strengths of multiple powertrains to deliver a dynamic driving experience. While they offer impressive performance and efficiency gains, they also come with increased complexity, cost, and potential maintenance challenges. As the automotive industry explores the potential of dual-engine vehicles, drivers must carefully consider these factors to determine whether the benefits outweigh the drawbacks. For those who embrace the innovation and are willing to navigate the associated complexities, two-engine cars offer a thrilling and cutting-edge option in the world of modern transportation.